Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is Tresora de Penta. It's, as you can guess, a design by Volker Luitensek, and let me immediately show you how it works. We have some pentomino pieces and the goal of the puzzle is to put the pentomino pieces into the box. Well, they are in the box, so I'm going to get them out, which is always a bit more easy. And what you see is it's a box with two parts, and we still can't take the box apart, so we need to manipulate the pieces such that they get out. And here is a T-shaped piece that we can get out, and let me try and remember. And then there is another piece that moves up, and we have a piece that moves sidewards, and finally we can slide the cabrio roof open and we can get all the last pieces out. And to show you how the thing looks assembled. So yeah, this is a bit of a spoiler alert. Here we have all the parts assembled, and here we have the cabrio box. So yeah, you need to get them into this. And in the original version, Volker asked me for a hinged box instead of a cabrio box. But there was a problem with the hinged box. I didn't make my pieces tight enough, so there is a lot of gap between the pieces, and when you have the box, then with a bit of friction you can open it. And yeah, this is not really a puzzle where you can cheat and just take all the pieces out. So instead I designed the cabrio version. As you could see, what we have here is a subset of the pentomino pieces. You always remember that Volker uses somma pieces. So my question to you is, Volker Luitensek is now going apparently from somma pieces to pentomino pieces. Which do you like better? Thank you for watching.